Yo, what's up, homie? Welcome back with me. You know what? This morning is so fucking, so. I don't know what I say because this morning I will walk around before I go to Kong Factor because this last day I in Semarang. As the end of I took places out with you every night. I'm just kidding. Yeah, this day I will go to Kong again and I will walk around this morning. Oh, so dark, but it's not darkness. Okay, thank you, honey, and see you next time.